Welcome back, knowledge seekers. Today we're taking a journey into the heart of southern Ohio's coal country, where a colossal marvel known as Big Muskie once ruled the landscape. This engineering giant wasn't just massive, it had an unconventional way of getting around. But before we dive into Big Muskie's story, let's set the stage. Ohio has long been a treasure trove of coal resources, with different types of coal to fuel various industries. Among them was the unique cannel coal, known for its high energy density and historic use in oil lamps. Big Muskie's story begins with the Central Ohio Coal Company, a key player in Ohio's coal mining industry. Now picture this, a machine that stood as tall as a 22-story building, weighed a staggering 27 million pounds, and was wider than an 8-lane highway. Big Muskie wasn't your typical mining equipment. It was a true industrial giant. And its distinctive feature? It didn't roll or crawl, it actually waddled. This waddling was a sight to behold as it moved from one location to another. This waddling was necessary because of the immense size. Conventional tracks or wheels would never be able to move it. But why was Big Muskie even needed? Well, Ohio's coal reserves, including bituminous coal and subbituminous coal, powered everything from electrical generation to steel production. Big Muskie's primary mission? Extracting the coal, the backbone of Ohio's coal mining sector. This colossal bucket could hold 220 cubic yards of coal, equivalent to 12 standard dump trucks. During its inauguration ceremony, the entire local high school marching band was able to fit and play from within inside the bucket. But as we celebrate Big Muskie's incredible feats, it's essential to recognize the environmental impact of burning fossil fuels. This brings us to the pressing need for transitioning to sustainable and eco-friendly energy sources to combat climate change and help protect our environment. Yet even amidst the challenges posed by coal mining and burning fossil fuels, the Central Ohio Coal Company showed remarkable commitment to land restoration. Guided by environmental regulations and a growing awareness of the importance of land reclamation, they embarked on an ambitious project. The result? The birth of the Wilds, an animal conservation sanctuary situated on reclaimed mining land. Today, the Wilds is a global leader in preserving endangered species, some of which are completely extinct in the wild. It serves as an exceptional educational institution, demonstrating how human innovation can heal the land and coexist harmoniously with nature. So as we look to the future, we're reminded of the imperative to embrace sustainable energy sources and protect our environment for generations to come. And that's it for today's journey. Until next time.